Let's make sun catchers together. You'll need paper, pencil, and eraser to sketch your design, and then find as many colorful Sharpies as you can to color in your design. You'll need scissors to cut your plastic. The alcohol and cotton swab are to erase Sharpie just in case you need to. I used a plastic lid for my salad container. I cut it out and traced my shape. I sketched my design on paper, then I laid my plastic over the top and traced it with black Sharpie. Once the black Sharpie is dry, flip it over and color the opposite side. When you're done coloring in your design, you can make your design look a little more sharp by coloring your black lines again. Let them dry, and then you could take tape them to the window. You can use regular Scotch tape, or you can use double-sided tape. You can do little ones, you can do big ones. I want to see what you create. See if you can maybe take a picture and post it for me. I hope you've loved this project and make your windows happy. Please subscribe to my channel and share with a friend. Keep creating.